Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the financials of American Airlines Group, ticker symbol AAL. Buckle up because we're about to break down some key metrics that every investor should know. First up, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio or PR. Now, the PR trailing 12 months stands at 13.46, but what's really catching our eye is the PR FWD at 4.52. That's indicating some potential value here. Moving on to the price/earnings to growth ratio or PG, we're looking at a promising 0.28. This suggests that not only is AAL trading at an attractive earnings multiple, but it's also poised for some significant growth ahead. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the return on equity or ROE. Unfortunately, it's not available due to accumulated losses from previous years, which have resulted in negative equity. But don't let that discourage you just yet. Despite the setbacks, AAL has managed to maintain a respectable return on assets at 1.29%, indicating how efficiently it uses its assets to generate earnings. Alright, let's talk numbers. The earnings per share or EPS currently stands at 1.09, with a promising EPS growth forecast of 48.7% over the next 5 years. That's some serious potential for growth-oriented investors. But wait, because over the past 9 years has had an inconsistent evolution with a -8.16% compound annual growth rate. But wait, there's more. Despite facing turbulence in recent years, AAL has been resilient with an operating margin of 7.59% and a profit margin of 1.56%. These numbers could be better, but in the last 3 years has improved. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Over the last 8 years, AAL has experienced ups and downs in both revenue and earnings. The pandemic hit hard in 2020, but since then, recovery has been sluggish. This situation has been reflected in the market price of American Airlines Group, as it has obtained a negative and lower total return than VO during the last 5 years. Now, let's talk about debt. Due to accumulated losses, we can't calculate debt-to-equity ratios. But fear not, because American Airlines' long-term debt remains stable and manageable. And what about the recent market performance? With an average price return of -10.68% over the last 52 weeks and a market cap of $9.58 billion, American Airlines continues to be one of the greats in the industry. Finally, analysts are cautiously optimistic, with an average price target of $17.18 in the next 12 months, representing a potential upside of 17.35%. Additionally, I believe AAL could be undervalued, with my fair value estimate sitting at $19.85. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at American Airlines Group's financials. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so make sure to do your own research before making any decisions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial content, and let us know which stock you want us to break down next. Until then, happy investing!